Hi, my name is Suzette McCartney from New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty. Don't miss the opportunity to get in the last remaining section in this highly sought after, eco-friendly subdivision, Ferndale. With nearly half an acre of land and 250 square meters of floor area, already consented and ready to go. Some of the features of this unique community is reserved land which ensures privacy and plenty of wildlife, community orchard with an assortment of fruit trees, a neighborhood park, pond, and a view. Situated on an elevated, sloping site with far-reaching views, plans have been drawn and a team are ready to join you on the journey to the house of your dreams. With sustainability at its core, working with the finest bespoke builders, you can watch your dreams take shape. Imagine the possibilities.